Here's an explanation of how you would go about making a poncho like this. First you would crochet 2 rectangles. Now for me that would be 14 inches by 36 inches. And for you, you should measure from your neck to your elbow. And then it needs to be like 2.5 times as long. So here we go. You've made 2 rectangles in whatever stitch you happen to like. You're going to place your rectangles like that. You're going to form an L shape. Join the 2 here with either a slip stitch or by sewing it with a needle and thread. Now this is going to fold over and meet this edge. And then this piece will fold over and you will join it here. Okay, so now this becomes the head opening, and you're going to have a join down the side, and that's where Christine put her knitted cable to cover up that seam. And there you go. That's how you can make a very easy poncho with 2 rectangles.